Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So in previous class we studied that is under our second chapter, that is a capital of a company, about the capital structure, and there are some types of that is share capital. And next concept is under our syllabus, that is a meaning of the shares. So as I already told, share is nothing but whatever capital of a company is split into several units, each unit is called as the share. Whatever total capital of a company will be there, that capital is split into several units, different units, each unit is called as the share. Okay, so a share is the interest of a member in a company anta karate. What do you mean by share? A share is the interest of a member in a company, or share is the share capital in the company anta karate. That is a share. Whatever total share capital will be there, one share now enanta karteve, idಕ್ಕೆ share anta karate. Means a share is the interest of a member in a company. According to section 2 subsection 84 of the Companies Act 2013, share means a share in the share capital of a company. Total share capital ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 2 ಸಬ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 84 ಆರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 84 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so that is a definition given under that is Companies Act 2013. So simply capital, that is a share means the capital of a company is split into several units, each unit is called as the share. Okay, there are some types of shares will be there, that is equity shares, preference shares and the deferred share, that is deferred shares anta karite. Here equity shares and preference shares and the deferred shares, all these are also used under that is total share capital anta karite. That is ಅಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಾವು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ types of share will be there, that is a equity share. So what do you mean by equity shares? So these are called as the ordinary shares anta kariti. Equity shares are called as the ordinary shares, and these ordinary or the equity shareholders are called as the real owners of the company. Equity shareholders are called as the real owners of the company, and they are having the voting right, and they are not having the that is fixed rate of dividend. Equity shareholders are the ordinary shareholders anta kariteve, and they are also called as the owners of the company, and they are having the voting right, and they are not having the fixed rate of dividend. Okay, so equity shares, there are some advantages will be there, that is the merits of equity shares. So what are the merits of equity shares? So let us know. First one is their venture capital. Here equity shares or the equity share capital is a very most important capital or the shares in the total company. On the business organization alli very important share capital ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, that is equity share ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So that's why it is called as the venture capital ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So equity shares are in return ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, when the company will winding up of the company. Equity shareholders ಒಂದು ಏನು ರೈಟ್ ಅದ, that is they are having the voting right, but ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಒಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, when the company will coming under the that is total winding up of the company. So venture capital ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, the main very much important capital in the company is called as the equity share capital, because they are the owners of the company, they are the ordinary shares anta karite. So that's why it is one of the advantages of the equity shares. Next one is there, no burden on a company's resources. Company's resources ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ burden ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is equity shares the there is no fixed rate of dividend to be paid to the equity shareholders. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಂಥ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ payment of dividend. So that's why it is also one of the advantages of the equity shareholders. And next one is there, no charge on the assets. So equity shareholders are not having any, that is in fixed rate of dividend, they are not charging any assets. That is, they are not charged on the assets. So that is also one of the advantages of the equity shareholders. Next one is there, payment of profit. So there will be no specific rate of dividend or the specific rate of profit is provided to the equity shareholders, and also rate of dividend. So equity shareholders ke yaude reetiyanta fixed rate of dividend illa. After providing the preference shareholders, availability of profit depending on that we are provided to the that profit or the dividend that is equity shareholders. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ದ ಅಥವಾ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಂಥ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ equity shares. And in next class or the next video, I will discuss some of the types of the again equity shares. Total types of shares: equity, preference and the different shares. And of that, equity shares are also having the some of the types like equity shares with equal rights, equity shares with differential right, and sweat equity shares. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೊಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.